Most people in Kenya think that investing in stocks is complicated. But what if I told you, you can start buying shares in companies like Safaricom or Equity Bank using just your phone? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to start investing in the Kenyan stock markets as a complete beginner using AIB DigiTrader. Before we start, let's simplify this. The stock market, specifically the Central Depository and Settlement Corporation, is where your shares are stored, and companies like Safaricom, Equity, and KCB are listed on the Nairobi Securities Exchange. When you buy a stock, you are literally owning a small portion of that company. To invest, you need three things: a CDS account, a stockbroker like AIB-AXYS, and the money to invest. In order to get started with investing into stocks, you'll need a stockbroker who will help you in creating your CDS account. So for me, I'm using AIB-AXYS, and you can easily find them using your Play Store or App Store. So just go to your Play Store as an Android user and search for AIB. So you can see there's AIB-AXYS DigiTrader. So that's it. You just need to download their app. So for me, I've downloaded it, so I just need to open mine here. So in order to create an account, you'll need to come into this page. So you are a complete beginner, someone who doesn't own stock, you still don't have a CDS account. So just come here to this page and click to open new trading account. So just click to start. So you'll need to fill up some of these details so that you get your CDS account. So just go through it: your first name, your title, the other names, date of birth, your nationality, and you present your email ID. So this is your Gmail account, and then you present your phone number. Which one of these one are you going to use for your KYC? So you can choose between a national ID and a passport. And then you will also need your KRA PIN as someone who is present here in Kenya. Then there's a question here: already have a CDS account with another CDA? If at all you already have one CDS account, you can put there as yes and then put the CDS account, but just leave it as no because you are creating this one completely from the beginning. Then there's a referral code. So for this referral code, if someone has referred you into the system, this is now affiliate marketing. So for this one, you'll use my referral code. Just remember to put this referral code on the screen so that the system knows that I'm the one who's referred you into their trading platform. It's a way of supporting me as someone who is also supporting you with the information. Just remember to put the referral code at this point that you are creating this account as a complete beginner. Then once you have that one, you'll click next, and then you'll need to present the ID, you'll need to present the KRA PIN, and I guess they also require you to take a selfie of yourself, but you'll just know from the system. Once you've filled up all this information, then the system will now tell you what to do next in order to get that KYC done. Then it will take around 2 to 3 days before you get email saying that you are a confirmed investor. So once that has gone through, you'll now get the email saying that this is your CDS account and this is your trading account within AIB. So they'll give you two numbers: your CDS account and your trading or your client ID within AIB. The problem with crypto is not information, it's noise. Too many ideas, too many signals, and not enough clarity. So inside the GekoodHub email newsletter, I filtered that down into what actually matters for building passive income and staying consistent in the markets. You can join the newsletter using the link down below. Let's keep going. Once you've been confirmed as an investor, so this is the email that they will send to you. Dear so and so, welcome to AIB-AXYS Africa. Thank you for choosing AIB Then they tell you your trading account has been opened successfully, so they show you your client code and also your CDSC number. This CDSC number is the most important thing, because with this one you can transfer your shares to another broker. If at all I don't want to use AIB, I want to use another broker, then I can use this same CDSC number in order to transfer my shares, so that I'm transferring my trading to a different person. And this is also where your shares are being stored. So remember, with your Kenyan shares, you can use them as collateral when you want to borrow loans from the banks. So that's the great part about opening account and having that CDSC number. That's a sample of how the email will come, so that you know this is the correct email I'm getting. So once you've now logged into your platform, so you've now created your account, it's now active. So you come to your platform, this is how it would look: the invested amount and then the current value, your net gains stroke your net loss, and then you'll have some of these gainers for the day. You also have the losers for the day and the top mover. So this is based on the current volume that is being traded in the market. So which ones are having the most volume? As per now, you can see KQ is the leading now. This is Kenya Airways. We also have KPC, Safaricom, Uchumi. And then the top gainers today, you can see there's Jubilee, TPS, KQ. So this is now the home page, and then you can also go under the watch list. So the watch list shows you all the brokers. You can have watch list based on number 1, there's watch list number 2, number 3. So you can personalize your watch list. Which stocks do you want to see from your own watch list? And then the orders. So in case you have pending orders, they will always be shown within here. And then you also have your portfolio. Your portfolio is based on your stocks. So which stocks do you hold? Currently I'm only holding equity. Then you see your invested amount, the current value based on, is it on gains, is it on loss? Then you have the funds part. So this is where you now deposited or loaded your account. So this is free cash. This is not on stocks. This is just money that you've deposited into your account. So in case you want to deposit or withdraw, this is the part that you'll be getting your funds from. So now I want to show you something very important: how to get your funds in within here. So how do you get your funds in within AIB? It's a very simple thing to do. That's one thing that I liked about with AIB. So just come to your funds part, and then you click to deposit. So they'll have your CDSC account there, and then just put your phone number, Safaricom. I don't know if at all they support Airtel. I'm not sure yet, because I'm just using my Safaricom, but maybe they support, because Airtel is also supported with many features. So I want to deposit 600 Kenyan shillings here. I'm using mobile money, not bank transfer. So I want to deposit 600 Kenyan shillings. Let's see how fast this system is. So we are doing this live. So I've initiated the trade. Let's see how fast this one can be. So I'm seeing that Safaricom has already notified me that my trade has been initiated. Okay, let's give it some time. Okay, so now you can see it's been initiated, it's been updated. My ledger is now 661 Kenyan shillings. So the system is super fast. You don't have to wait for ages to get your funds loaded in here. So now I have some free cash balance here. So this one, once you deposited it, it doesn't mean that you are an investor. You need to now go and choose the stock that you want to be investing in. So this is now where you come to your watch list. Quick one before we continue, if you want the exact tools and the platforms I personally use, I've put everything into one place, plus discounts so you don't overpay. You can check them out at the GekoodHub deals page. The link is down below. Now let's keep going. Also have some idea of which kind of stocks do perform here. So in here you can make money through buying a share and the price going up. So if at all I bought, let's say BAT at 574 Kenyan shilling per share, and then it goes to 579, so I can make money through the price appreciation. And then there are other stocks that always pay dividend to its investors. So if at all I held a stock for a year, then it can be giving me interim dividend and also the overall year dividend. So companies like Equity, KCB, Corp, BAT, Kenyan, KCB, many of these companies do give dividends to their investors. So you can do some research and know about which companies do give dividends and which companies don't give dividends. So you can earn through price appreciation and also getting the dividends from the particular company that you've chosen to be an investor in. So for today, I want to buy Safaricom shares, and then I already have it here. So this one is Escom, that's Safaricom. So I just slide left to buy. So let's see the current price. Okay, so when you click to buy, so this is the page that will be brought to you. We are buying Safaricom, then normal instrument, there's limit order type. You can either go with limit or market order. So you've seen that Safaricom is at 28 point something there, but when I go with limit, I can put a lower price than the current market price. I can go as low as 25.65 and also as high as 31.35. When you're going to do a limit order, it means that you want to take a discount. Because the market is at 28, I want it lower, 26, 25 there. But because we want to see this thing live, I'll just take a market order today. So validity, it can be valid for only a day or good till done. So for only a day, if at all I put a limit order and then the market doesn't go to the price that I've chosen, then it will be killed when the market closes. Remember, the Kenyan stock market opens at 9:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. So when that order doesn't go through within the day, then it will be killed. But if I put GTD, it will be there until it gets filled up. The trading mode, there's delivery and then there's intraday. So for long-term investor, if you want to hold the stock for a very long time, choose delivery. But if you just want to do trading, you want to hold the stock for only a single day, then you are going to be choosing the intraday, because we are people who believe in long term of what we are going to be investing. We leave it as delivery. Then the date is the day that you want this stock to be bought. So today is 7th April 2026. That's what we are going to leave there. So let's see. I want to buy market order. Okay, quantity, let's put 10 and see what the price there. Okay, I'm not seeing it when I put market order. Let's see if you put limit order 28.65. Buying 10 shares is 286. So because I have 600 there, I want to increase. If I put 30, so I'll be buying 20 shares for this Safaricom today. So I'm just using this limit order in order to get an idea of how much stock I can buy. So I'll be buying 20 shares and I'll be going with a market order so that it can go through as quick as possible. So we're buying 20 shares and then the market is blank because it will be chosen by the system. So let's click to buy. Then this one will be a total value of 626. Order value is 613. Then there's some brokerage charges and statutory charges. So let's click to confirm. So you can see it's been successfully placed. So I'm waiting for this one to be executed into the system. Once that's been done, I'll be holding 20 shares of Safaricom. You can see currently my portfolio is only on equity. So that's how easy it is to buy shares within the Kenyan stocks market. Initially I thought it was something very difficult, but once you get the hang of this thing, it's super simple. When you're creating the account, kindly remember to use the referral code 42226. That's the referral code. Then you'll be promoting me as someone who's given you the idea on how to get started investing in the stocks market. And also for you, once you start getting the hang of this thing, because you'll be making money, also help your friends, refer them into the system. Let's not just put our money into our banks where we earn zero interest on our hard-earned money. Let's start taking advantage of these many ways to earn money. Remember, we do crypto. We are now exploring stocks and many other ways that we can use to make our money work for us. It's very difficult to make money working yourself. Let the money work for you. So underpinning orders, I don't have any. So I believe I'm now a current holder of Safaricom shares. So I'm just waiting for the shares to be reflecting under my portfolio. It's saying that the order is fully traded, but it's not yet transferred into my portfolio. The biggest mistake people make is waiting too long. You don't need millions to start. You just need to start. When you join AIB DigiTrader as an investor, remember to use the referral code on the screen, and you can also find it in the description in order to promote me as someone who's brought this idea to you. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe, like, and also share it to your friends out there so that we can all start taking advantage of the stocks market within our own country. Most people in crypto are just watching, reacting, and chasing moves after they happen. But a small group, they understand how this space actually works. If you want to be on that side, where you see opportunities early and actually know what to do, then join the GekoodHub email newsletter using the link down below. Don't just watch the market, learn how to move in it. I'll see you on the inside.